Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play the elimination tower. So I really didn't even understand a bit when I just started the game. I was like, I just got eliminated at the first round itself. I had 3 to 4 times to understand the game properly. So in this video I'm going to teach you. Even though I get it, I'm going to make sure that you will be fully ready to play this game after the video. So now let's just type elimination tower. Alright, okay, so this is the elimination tower. You could directly go and join through servers if you want to, or you could just go inside this and the game will join you through a server. For beginners I recommend you this. So now after we go inside, it would be something like this. Okay, now we'll have an option called as join game. I think you could see that it's something like in green color, right? Now let me just join game. If you tap join game, you'll come to a place something like this. Now you have to wait for about 30 to 20 seconds. The game takes you to a server and you have, now as you guys can see, we're going to a server like elimination tower server. That is like a game that we join into the server. I hope you guys understand. Now we have to wait about 15 seconds, 20 seconds in total. I'm saying now we have to only wait about 10 seconds. So let's just wait. I have not won even a single game, but I just know how to play it, and a lot of people just don't know how to play it, and this is an amazing game. You guys can play it, right? Now he's Bruce Staples. He will tell us what and all should we play, or what should we do, what is the game, something like that. Now he's telling the game is about to start. Let's just wait. Okay, hello, I'm Bruce Staples, welcome to the elimination tower. Okay, now we will have to play a mini game. See, each round everyone will pick in a challenge. Everyone will participate in the challenge, and the winner of the challenge will nominate players for elimination. So we'll play like a mini game. In that mini game, if you may win, I may win, or anybody may win, that person should choose 3 people who will be to the elimination round, which is like the main round. In that round, what you have to do is whoever gets out in that round will be eliminated of the game, will be come into the game that we joined first, which is not the server, and we can spectate them, but we can't go into the game again till they finish the game, or else you could change your servers. So I pretty much explained you just like so lightly. Now let's just go into the game. I'll show it you. So this game is called as checkmate. I don't know chess here. Okay, let's just see. Okay, be the last one standing on the chessboard. Alright, so pieces will disappear when touched. Okay, so we should not be at one place itself. We're going to keep on. Oh lord, help me. I just fell down, right? Oh my god. What are we supposed to do though? I think we are just out, and someone called as Spring Fruity Parry 1527 has be till then end. So everybody is so cool right here. Let's also put congrats. Good job. That was really hard. So let's go and put this, and that go. Now I have okay. Why is that happening to me? Now it's round 1. Let's just wait again for you. The rest of the challenge is coming up shortly. Yes, now the person who won will choose any 3 of us, like anybody. If you don't get chosen, you should just sit and spectate the people, what they are playing. So let's just put me, please. Oh, actually we are playing it again. I don't know why. So it's something called as she left. Okay, so it's called as a gold digger game. What you have to do is you have to press T if you are using a computer, plus the T key. So now as I'm using the phone, I have to press the dig. So let me just dig here. So how it works is when you go further down, you could just see from the bottom right here. So it may be wherever, some anybody can totally win this game. So we cannot say anything, so we're just pressing the T. So it's not here also. Let's do this one. This can be it, right? So we'll hope our level best. Let's try. Okay, this is not it too. Okay, Kiki has done it. I see already a lot of places are dug, whatever. So let's wait. Good, let's just put me please win now. Let's wait. So she has won this mini game. Now she will have to choose any three of us, right? Any three of the players who are playing this game right now, which is your game when you are playing the game. Okay, so let's wait. They will nominate us, and if you will be one of the three, you have to win the other mini game. If you win the mini game, you will just not get eliminated, and if you are the last, you will be eliminated, and you will just go out of the server. You can spectate them though, or you could go and change your other server. Let's just put me please. I'm just turning like this to look cool. Let's just me. I don't think she will choose me though. Okay, yeah, she has chosen them, so I didn't get chose right here. Let's just wait and let's spectate what people are playing, right? So let's just see so that we'll get an idea. I'll show you about half of the game and it will be pretty boring. So yeah, you guys wanted to play so eagerly, right? So let's just wait and we'll just see how they are playing. That's what the game. I'll just explain the game and pass the video, and then we'll go to the next round. All right. This game is called as the jailbreak, and what will happen there is you will get like few shapes, okay, and in one screen there will be like some shapes, and we have to just do the just click on the shapes. We'll get like a tab there also, so you have to just click on the shapes whatever it's shown on the screen. After you finish doing that, whoever is doing that fastly, they will the jail door will open and they have to run right to the the green, let me show you, the green line or whatever. They have to run there and they will win it. So that's pretty much the game. I hope you guys understood. So okay, they already have opened it. Let's hope, let's see who will. I think this girl is going to come. Okay, that means he will be eliminated. The person like the blue headed person, that person would be eliminated now. So that person will completely go out of the game so that he could join another server or he could see what we are playing. So see, Zohan Mahal, okay, whatever, he has been eliminated. Yeah, there we go, he eliminated. Okay, I feel bad kinda. Okay, now we're going to play another mini game to see who is going to choose the people for the nominations. So let's wait. I mean, yeah, so there are a lot of different and very interesting mini games coming in this elimination tower. I hope you guys have at least got a half of it. If you play one more game, I'm sure you will be a pro in this game when you're going to play this. Okay, so let's just please watch the video till the end. All right, and yeah, so this game is called as the bomb ball. All right, so pass the bomb on to the other player. If you are the bomb, you have to pass the bomb to the other player. You have to go near them and they will be the bomb. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you may be the bomb and someone may pass it to you. You have to pass it to them. I think you guys can see that is the bomb, and you will get about 5 seconds of time. Not 5 seconds, I think it's about 8 to 10 seconds. If you are not going to pass the bomb to anybody, that's it, you will burst, and your luck is that's it, I may say. So let's just do it. Oh, the bomb is here, you guys. Let's just be here. Let's go there. We have to be the last one alive, means we only The bomb should not come to us. Just remember that if it even comes to you, make sure you will, pass it out to somebody. I think you guys can see she got out. Now this person is the bomb. I passed it out. Okay, now I'm safe. Let me go here. Hope the bomb doesn't come to me. Oh, it's right coming here. So I'll go there. Yeah, that was it. Now let's see. I hope I'm not the bomb. Okay. Oh, that was so close, right? Okay. No. Come on. Alright. Now it's time. What's wrong? I'm not able to control it. Ah. Oh no, that was so close. No, that was a very good game, right? So Cookie Quas 12363 has won the game. That is pretty cool, and I was almost going to win the game. Better luck next time though. And let's just see. Wow, nice game. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed though, but that's a good game. She did very good, and the place was just locked. I was only be in like the one compartment so that we can't escape as there are only two players. So that's a very intelligent one. Now let's see who is the nominations. So till the last player, the game will continue. Whoever is the last player will be the winner or whatever. Okay, so yeah, choose me please. Me. Okay, she's very kind, right? Oh, we got eliminated. Wow, that is so good. Thanks so much. You're kind. Alright. Now let's glossy. I'm so happy. So welcome. Alright. So I hope I kind of not get eliminated, because however I'm gonna end this video, but I hope you guys like it. Okay, now let's just see. Okay, now we are going to be there. Now let's see what game it is. I literally don't know, and some of the game I've just played like 4 to 5 games, and I'm really bad at some of those, so please don't judge me. Well, let's just see. Did you hear about the reversible jackets? Okay, they're just dumb, right? Water park. Well, what is this? This seems interesting and easy, kind of. I just don't know. Let's see. You need to say, oh no, hobbies are not my stuff. I am really bad at hobbies. How do you think that I could do this in 2 minutes? Like, come on. All right. Fine. Let's try our level best, you guys. Don't judge my playing. I'm really bad at playing hobbies. Well, yeah, let's see. Oh, why is that? It's so hard. Even I just didn't even start the game. Are you serious? I'm definitely going to get eliminated. You just... how is this even possible? Ooh. I'm just swimming and I just don't know where I am. Let me just go up. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, I didn't know this though. Oh, help me. Please, come on. I knew I was so bad in hobbies, but I just didn't know hobby would, hit me right here. Can you just move? Excuse me. Oh my god, he's just going. Can you guys see that? Oh no, no, no. I'm definitely going to be eliminated, no doubt in that. Oh god. Come on. There's just 1 minute left. Only 55 seconds. I'm definitely going to get eliminated. At least you'll get an idea of how to be eliminated, right? So this is how you get eliminated. And I'm going to show you that so proudly. Actually not so. Let's just wait. He's definitely not going to get eliminated. He's like in the second round and I'm just in the first one still. Come on, why do you do this to me? Come on! Hey, what's wrong with you? And I just don't know. Yes, I'm going to die because, yeah. Well, I'm being eliminated. Let's wait. I'm going to thrown out in the water. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty cool. Oops, bye. Alright, I have been thrown out into the water and RIP to me, whatever. So, yes, yeah. Oh, why sorry? It's okay. It's not your mistake, though. Ah, they're so sweet, right? I am so happy. I got a very nice team. Well, I have to end this video right now. If you want longer videos, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Whatever. Thanks so much for watching this video. What am I even talking? So, yes, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you like it. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and comment down below what video on the next. And this is like the final thing which ends the total game. This is like a mega obby which will have a 2 minutes time. And I just don't know how they will complete in 2 minutes. Well, whatever. Thanks for watching it. Bye.